going to start with the marinating ingredients. We've got finely chopped onion, some sugar, ginger, cloves, minced garlic, great flavors, apple cider vinegar, and some soy sauce. And what I forgot to do in this video, I had to add it later, is pineapple juice. Use canned pineapple juice in this mixture. And I'm stirring it up real good because the sugar will want to stay at the bottom, and I want to make sure that it gets mixed up. Set that aside, and now I have the spare ribs put into Ziploc storage bags, and I'm just going to put about half of the marinade into each bag. I want to make sure I get onions into both. And now I'm going to seal these up, and once I've got them sealed, I will just kind of massage the onions and the marinade around so that all the pieces of meat get coated. See if I can distribute those onions a little bit. And then once I've got that done, I'm putting it into a pan so it doesn't, if there is any leakage, it doesn't leak all over my refrigerator, because that would be not fun. All right, so I've got those both ready, and I'll just stack those up together. I'm going to marinate these overnight. In the morning, I will turn them over and let them continue marinating until I'm ready to fix dinner. Now I've got my pans greased for baking. I'm putting the spare ribs here in, and then they will go into the oven, 350 degrees, for an hour and a half. Now, I'm going to be basting this while it's cooking, but I want to first reduce that marinade, or actually I got my daughter Eva to do this. So we put the marinade into the pan. She stirred it a bit. We had it on medium heat, and we'll go between medium high. And this took about 30 minutes to reduce, with a lot more stirring towards the end. And here we are just finishing that up. A lot more stirring at the end, and it's quite thick. And she actually got twice this amount. And she just opened the oven and started basting that on the ribs with a little silicone basting brush that we have. Got it all over there, and then just put it back in the oven to bake. Now about halfway through, so 45 minutes after it started cooking, we turn it over and give it a basting on the other side. Put it in for another about 45 minutes, but we'll come back and baste it a time or two. We won't show you that, but you'll be able to see it's kind of sticky on the top here and there where that thick basting was put on there. And now we can just plate this up and serve it up. I love a nice side dish, white rice and a green vegetable. Hope you enjoy this recipe.